right, Mary's making jewelry. Now remember, the wholesale cost is what Mary has to pay. This is what she paid before it got marked up. Then she's selling them for $32. Compare these. She marked it up. She's charging more than she actually had to pay for it. That's how she makes a profit. And the question is about the percent. That's what we want to know. So we're going to put P over 100 since that's the question. Now, what was the whole price before it changed? It was $11.50. That was the whole price. Now, let's see what this change was. How'd we find the change for number 1, number 2, number 3, and up here in number 11? What did we do? We subtract these two numbers right here. That's how you find the change. So the change is $20.50. Now that we have our proportion filled out, we're ready to cross multiply. Cross over, multiply these two together, equals, cross over, multiply these two together. Your last step is going to always be to divide by whatever number is in front of the variable. And this time it's 11.5. So let me see, 178.26 is our percentage. All right, now we're going to work with discounts. Doesn't everybody like a sale? A discount, also called a markdown, is an amount by which the regular price of an item is reduced. So the way a store will come up with the sales price is they'll take the original price and subtract the discount. So with these next problems, we're going to be finding the discount. A volleyball has a price of $48. That's the price before it gets marked down. It's on sale now, though, for 45% off. So a markdown reduces the price. So the price of that volleyball is going to be $48 minus the discount. And we have to come over here and find out what the discount or the markdown is going to be. So I'm going to put D for discount over the whole price, $48. The percent is 45, and on the bottom is 100. Cross over, multiply 100 times D. Cross over this way, multiply 45 times 48. Last step is going to always be to divide by whatever is in front of the variable. So the discount off of this volleyball is $21.60. So when I subtract this away, I'm going to get $26.40. Do it in your calculator. $26.40 as the final price for that volleyball. A restaurant decreases their prices for a day to the prices from back in 1964. Guys, way before you were born. I was a little girl then. A pizza that usually sells for $22.40 was marked down 75%. What's the price of the pizza back in 1964? Why don't you pause the video and try this one on your own, since it's just like number 13. Okay, the price is going to be $22.40 minus that discount. So we need to come over here and find the discount. The discount is going to be one little part of the whole price of the pizza, $22.40. The percentage is 75, and that goes over 100. Cross over, multiply 100 times D. Cross over this way, multiply 22.4 times 75. That gives us 1680. Divide both sides by 100. The discount is $16.80. So we've got to take that $16.80 away from the full price. And let's see. we're going to end up paying $5.60 for that pizza. You can do this in your calculator. Last few problems. At a store, teachers get a 10% discount, but that's only teachers. One day, an additional 30% was taken off of the already reduced prices. Everybody gets this 30% discount. A tablet originally sold for $465. What's the final price? Well, if the teacher is buying this, the teacher gets 2 discounts. So we've got it's one example, but it's got 2 parts. So the first discount we're going to take is this 30% discount that everybody gets. So that $465 price, we're going to be taking some away for the discount. So let's calculate that discount. Discount is a part of the whole price, $465, and for everybody that walks in the store to buy this tablet, they get a 30% discount out of 100. Cross multiply 100 times D, cross over and multiply the other way, you get 13950. Divide both sides by 100, and the discount that everybody gets is $139.50. So pull out your calculator, take the full price, and subtract $139.50, and you'll see that the final price for everybody is $325.50. But hold your horses. Teachers get an extra 10%. So teachers aren't going to pay the $325.50. We're going to subtract a little bit more money for their final price. So let's come over here and get their discount. Discount out of this new whole price equals their percentage discount is 10 out of 100. Cross over and multiply. Cross over this way and multiply. Last step is to divide both sides by 100. And we see that teachers get an extra discount of $32.55. So let's take the $325.50 and subtract the $32.55, and a teacher will be able to walk out with a new tablet for $292.95. Dallas got a 25% discount for athletic equipment. He buys hockey equipment for a final price of $215.50. You know what? Never mind. We're just going to skip these last 2. You are finished. So do all the way up through 15 and send me those notes, please.